I can't help it, man. I missed the Lambo and the BMW. That guy would have clowned. Ooh, Lambo. I think it's a Murcielago. Is that a Murcielago? A slow one. Oh, and an M. BMW M series. I want to say 4 or 5. We'll see where it goes. The Murcielago. I don't really care for the M right now. Murcielago. We'll see where it goes. We might be able to have a little bit fun with it. And if that does happen, then we're gonna be. Oh, that was loud! You popped my right ear. But yeah, if that does happen, then we'll have Broly power up a little bit. I think it's brand new. He just got it. Hey, this dude doesn't have blinkers. This rider doesn't have blinkers on his bike. Is it a 4, M4? But yeah, we'll pull. Mark behind me, calm the hell down. Oh, it's an M3. I'm guessing he has that ESS tuning frame thingy on his license plate. That means it's tuned. Merb, merb, merb. Turn. Ooh, rider. Never be in front of the car. The one thing I had to do is I slide too much, so I need tank grips on here. I slide way too much on this tank, so we gotta stop that from happening. Really one of them both. Really one of them both. But it happens. This is just the beginning. We'll get so many more chances once we hit the streets. Once we hit the streets. But it's kind of fun. I really love riding the streets. I know a lot of people can't bear it because of traffic and stuff like that. And I know that in Mexico we can lane split, but still, like, it's really fun riding on the street, stop and go, looking at people, because I am a big people watcher. So for me, it's really fun doing all sorts of stuff like this. Makes me happy. We got a rider up here. Might as well join him. He's got a Harley Davidson. I thought it said turbo somewhere. His right tail, right light is out. Your right signal thingy, it's the light's off on there. Yeah. The left one's right, but the right one, the light's off. I explained it in the worst possible way, and for some reason my voice came out extremely high-pitched. But yeah, his right light is off. See, his right one is off. It's not working. His right tail light, it's not his tail light, it's his blinker. His right blinker is not working. His right light for the blinker, his right blinker light is not working. His right blinker light, there you go. Right blinker light. Right? Right? I don't know. F it. I don't know. It smells like burgers. Actually smells pretty good, actually. But yes, if he was signaling to go to the right, that didn't turn on. But we don't know if he's a signaler kind of guy or not. Does he signal when he turns? See, we don't know again. Did you turn it on or not? We can't tell! See, I don't know, homie. Did you go that way if you wanted to? Or did your light just not notify? Calm down, you have an infinity. But see, I'm a pretty nice guy. Don't worry, we're not going to Supercar Alley. I just want to ride just a little bit. Lick lips, just a little bit. We're not going to go to Supercar Alley though, because I don't really want to. I'm happy with just riding. I thought it was curses. I can't help it, man. I missed the Lambo and the BMW. That guy would have clowned. Because the reason I gunned it was because he was right on me. But that's when I was slipping and sliding on my tank. Not cool. Oh, God. The balls of a dragon. But we got to remember, we still got 19 miles left on Broly's training. Which for some reason I want to keep calling Nimbus. I don't know why I keep calling her Nimbus. Because I say Nimbus so much. That's why. Oh, I thought it was going to be a better curve. Or a tighter curve. Engine braking on point. Nah, but it's too strong for us. I don't like engine braking to be that strong. Go here. I have no idea where we're going. We're just riding around. Just for about maybe 45 more minutes or so. Legit cool. Look at that thing. Sex dungeon. I'm serious, that's a sex dungeon I'm playing. It's not. What if it was though? Finally, you guys can see those ice cap mountains. You guys see those? I'm telling you, man, it's been cold here. And I'm delicate. So, you know, it affects me more. It affects me more. Because your boy's delicate. Delicioso? Muy bien. Muy bien. Delicioso. Remember that commercial? Or that meme? A lot of commercial meme. Good thing this guy came here because I did not know that this is going to be 3 people training together. I thought it was just going to be 2. But it's 3. But yeah, we have no idea where we're going. We're just riding around. Looking pretty. Looking pretty in the city. Whoa. So I have a lot of rides where I just go and ride around aimlessly. And the raw series, the raw footage, stuff like that. And these are the places that I come. I love being around people and just watching them because the chances of spotting a hottie with a really nice body is very high where there's a lot of people. Homeless. I hope you guys find a home. Woo! Like, woo, woo! Like that. So many dates have been taken there. Where should we go? Where are we? Man, I want to get lost. Problem is, I've ridden these streets so many times, like, I don't know, thousands of miles have been put on Nimbus, Ferrari, and all sorts of stuff like that, it's all been around these streets, so it's really hard for me to get lost. Plus, the cool thing would be that if we got lost, that's not a Ferrari, it's a Karma. Cool. I heard they're remaking those. No, but the cool thing is that if I do get lost, I honestly just get lost because I don't have a RAM mount or anything on here. My phone's in my back pocket, so I'd really have to get lost to pull over and pull out my phone and show. Look at all that gravel, man. Imagine somebody went off of that because nobody goes there. These streets go straight. These roads go straight, and that's a right turn over there. So like all the dust and rocks and chips and all the bolts get scattered over there. But damn, imagine. I can see a big bolt in there too. I didn't do this kind of riding in the beginning when we were just putting on miles on the baby, and mainly because it's stop and go traffic and the speed limit is really low, so you can't really break in a bike like that. However, once we are done breaking her in, then I can go back to exploring. I want to re-explore every place that I've been to now on Broly.